Hello, Artemis. Good to see you. I'm on my way back to the revival facility. Hello, Mr. Factory Leader. I'll drop you right at Brandenburg Station. I'm sure Thomas or Percy can shuttle you to the facility. That'll be £10, please. Much appreciated. Alright, payment's gone through. On you go. Evening, Gordon. Evening to you. It's good that you're finally accepting freight work, you know. It's quite heavy and can be dirty, but it's honest work. The express has been heavy lately too. Plenty of people have been riding since we deep cleaned the coaches recently. You have it easy, you know. You're back and forth in 1 second flat. Hey, you know, yeah, I suppose it's not the most challenging. I wasn't saying it as any sort of slight against you. Like I said, I don't mind freight work now. I'm just saying, appreciate being young and sprightly and having it easy and all that. I still remember those days like yesterday, but now it's over 300 years ago. If you're not prepared, hard work can sneak up on you. I appreciate the advice, Gordon, but I'm sure I know how to handle hard work. Have a nice day. And he was well. Oh! Sorry, I was running late. I think I got a little mixed up on the track I was on. For goodness sakes, Percy, remember your points. You could have been involved in a nasty accident. I know, I'm sorry. Good job stopping in time. I guess I'll be on my way. Oof, I hope all that gravel dust doesn't get into my workings. Whew. Sorry about that, Artemis, silly little engine. Again, have a good day. All aboard, everybody! Remember, today's admission price is £0? Oh, then why did I pay 10? Oh boy, that gravel dust must be interfering with my circuits, and it must have buggered up my ticketing system. Hey Zach, did she say £0, everyone, yeah! Oh well, that can't be good, but I can't just not take them. People expect me to always be running and they depend on it. Oh well, one free ride can't hurt. Hey Art, what's happening? You look worried. I think my ticketing system's at a fault. All passenger trips are currently free. Yikes, I'm sorry to hear that. Hopefully nobody unsavory starts taking advantage of the free rides. You think you could pop down to the works real quick? I would, but I can't just stop working in the middle of a huge rush or people are going to be pissed. They don't know it's not free on purpose after all. Well, I'm sorry to hear that. Good luck. Thanks. I'm never gonna fucking get used to that. I'll pop them into the siding here and move on. Alright, and that's all the supplies for Angeline Station. Ooh! Hi, Artemis, how are things? That gravel dust didn't mess anything up, did it? I've heard how nasty Gordon can be. He's probably gonna make fun of me if I say I'm starting to struggle. Well, let him try it. He's met his match with me. Well, unfortunately it's gotten into my internal ticketing system and glitched the prices to free. I can't go get it fixed, because the free prices have caused a huge rush, and as a police officer it's my duty to keep the peace. If I randomly stop and kick everyone off in the middle of passenger service, people may riot or something, and that could hurt people. I'm soldiering on, but I must say, it's been a few hours and I'm getting tired out. Do you have anything to say about it or something? Huh, really? Well done! Suck your mum, I mean, what? It's a true mark of a Sudrian to keep soldiering on no matter the circumstances, unless you're Henry. Stellar job! I wish I could help, but I'll be busy until tonight. If I see you then, I'll offer again. Wow, thank you. Good luck, Artemis! Oh, today has been hellish. Hello, Artemis. Are you okay? Do I bloody well look okay? Every coach smells like weed, Instagram influencers have been posing in first class like they're rich, and there are so many suspicious stains in the sleeper coaches. You know, this is my last stop. If I can get someone to put away my trucks for me, I can help you out. Really? Are you sure? Of course. Let me just find a helper. So, can I offer any help? Maybe if you split the work, you'll actually be able to beat the flow of people and go get yourself fixed. People are going to be upset at non-instantaneous travel, especially at night. This is when the worst sorts of people come out in the cities. It's free rides. Beggars can't be choosers. Don't worry, I'll keep it under control. Plus, if you're still in service, then it won't be that the option for instant travel is gone. They have the option to wait for you. It's either they wait or ride my train. Then I'd appreciate that a lot, Gordon. You can go snag some coaches. We're on our way to Rushman Terminal. All aboard! Oh, this engine don't look propulsion powered. You've all had entirely free travel with no drawbacks for an entire day. It's about time there was some sort of catch. It's either a former express steam engine or nothing at all. Who does he think he is, talking to us like that? The old kettle. Let's make it rough for him. What's that? Nothing. I'll be keeping an eye on you. To be pulling the express again. I've missed this feeling. Take this, you clapped out old has-been! Hey! What do you think you're doing? Stop that this instant! Oh shit. Somehow I didn't see that coming. Are you fucking kidding me? Holy fuck buckets, what's happened here? These horrid delinquents threw rocks at me and managed to break the coupling. I'm trying to catch them, but they're fully loaded and I can only speed up so fast. Stop, Gordon, stop! Stop now! Why? I can catch them with that propulsion draft, but... No offense, of course. I need you to get out of my way so I can go full speed. Come back over those points, quick. Okay, I'll try. Lovely to be taking the flying Kipper shit. Of course I fucking jinxed it. Hurry up! I'm going as fast as I can. I'm only a steam engine. Maybe we should rename this train. There's just something about it that's clearly inherently unlucky. Oh wait, I should be screaming. I'm out of the way! Start your propulsion drive now!
Fun's over. Damn.
Oh? That was close.
Are you alright, Cod? That was far too close for comfort. Yeah, good job moving so fast, Gordon. Cod?
There wasn't a crash.
Finally! Finally! The Flying Kipper has had an uneventful night! Finally! Fuck. Sorry. Free trains are suspended until further notice! Everyone out! That's fucking annoying. No more first class pics for the gram. Don't worry, these are just dumb trains. They can't do shit to us. Watch me. Hey, you loaf of bread looking thing. You can't kick us out. If you do, we'll get this crowd really angry, and then you'll have a bunch of shit on your buffers. Oh, what's that? Was that a threat to incite violence? Sounds like a crime to me. Oh, wait, that's a crime. Shit. I have 3 words for you. You may leave. Have a good day. That's 4. You're under arrest. Bring him in, please, Spots. Oh, fuck this, I'm out of here. Fuck you! You're not going anywhere. Here you are, Artemis. Mr. Factory Leader, I didn't know you were riding with them. I was back and forth a few times today. But here, scan my card if you will. That's payment for every single ride I've taken today. I would have done it earlier, but the crowds were too big to get up to the scanner. Now, I suggest that all of you that have been exploiting the system do the same thing that I just did. Of course, it's completely legal to walk away without giving her a cent, but I strongly suggest you pay your dues. Ah, fuck that! What's free was free! That boy was right. We could riot, so you better... You know, I suddenly feel like being generous with my money. Yeah, me too, man. It's funny. Well, today certainly was a day to remember. It looks like you're finally free to go and get that ticketing system fixed. Indeed. Thank you for helping me out, Gordon. That's a lot more maturity than I expected from you. Remember, I've learned a touch from being stranded on that deserted island. No reason to act so uppity when it will only inconvenience people, including myself. True. Hey, wait. Shouldn't we deal with the coaches before we get too far? Don't worry, I've gotten someone to deal with them.
Superhero standing by on call and oh, it's not easy. No, it's not easy making real friends.
Jinta asks, Artemis, how many times have I acted out my job as police officer? I've been a police officer for quite a few years now. No one can say I'm a newbie, and I've had to get involved in quite a few criminal investigations. I don't think I can count them all. I just do my best to uphold justice whenever the need arises. However, I get help from my moral friends, like Percy during the truck shortage, as well.